Okay, I'm just gonna try this on the fly. If it goes well, I'll post it, and if it doesn't, you won't ever see this thing at all. I don't know. I think it's one of those fun problems. I think I get it, so let's see how this goes. So the amount of the liability claim Y is the motor of vehicle accident has a uniform. So Y is uniform between 0 and 1. Okay, and that's what we call the motor accident, right? So you have some kind of accident, right, by motor, and the amount, the property damage in that accident. So given that you had an accident and it's going to be property damage, it's also uniform between 0 and square Y, right? So this one, once again, so this is property damage. Okay, first thing says find, well, it just says find the density of X, the amount of the property damage in an accident. Well, let's see if I can do this really fast. So first thing we need to recognize, this is uniform, and what we want to find is f of x, and f of x, usually what you do is you integrate out y of the joint PDF, right? Now, what we were given here is that the conditional, and I'm just going to just point here, the conditional has that over y, and we know what the PDF of y is. This is 1, so therefore the joint is that times the conditional, right? And the conditional is uniform, which is 1 minus b minus a. Well, b is the square root of y minus 0, which of course is just square root of y, and we times that. Therefore, f of x is just going to be this. Now, remember, y is between 0 and 1, and x is less than y, greater than 0 to y. Well, actually, y, I'm sorry, should be the square of y. Okay, that's correct. X is traveling between this 0 and square root. So what we need to do is find y. Well, by itself, so we can, right? So what we do is we can square this on both sides. Therefore, y is between these 2 points here. Let's do that. So y is equal to x squared to 1 of the joint. And that right there. So y is equal to x squared 1 dy. I don't like it like this, so let me write the way I like to see it. I like to see it like this, right? Hope you guys understand what I did there. But this is a good way of doing it because I'm going to integrate up, take that negative away, which would be a half, and then it'll just be 2, because it'll be 1 divided by 2, goes back up. And then it should be 1, well, y is equal to x squared. And then it should be, well, voila, minus times x squared divided by 1/2 that's just basically 2 minus 2x. And then just pull this 2 out, 1 minus x. And whatever that answer is, should be A. And if that's the correct answer, we'll appear in a second. I'm going to post it. And have a nice day.